Welcome back to the 2017 JC Steel Target Challenge. We're here at Blue Ridge Ranch in Benge, Washington for Day 2 of the third match of the National Rifle League season. On Day 1, competitors had to undergo 11 courses of fire, which included navigating through the natural terrain, shooting over multiple barricades, and firing from a moving helicopter. Today on Day 2, match directors Jake Vibber and Nick Godarzi have designed 11 more courses of fire and have moved the competitors to a completely different location on the range. Let's see what adjustments the shooters make today and find out which competitors came out on top. Horizontal junkyard. With a round count of 14 and a 2-minute time limit, shooter will start on the left tire and fire one round at the 440-yard target, then another round at the 625-yard target. Shooter will then transition to the next prop and repeat the process until all 7 props have been shot from.
Hey guys, we are here at the 2017 JC Steel Target Challenge in Washington. I'm here with Adam Cloninger. Adam, how are you, sir?
Pretty good. How are you, Travis?
Very good, thank you. So, tell us how the match has been for you so far.
Well, the match has been pretty difficult. There's a lot of wind. We're shooting from elevated positions at targets that are probably abnormally far away. I think average target distance is about 700 yards.
Yes.
And Nick and Jake are pretty accomplished shooters, the match directors, and they don't like to shoot targets. So you got to be on your game.
Absolutely. Now, you just completed stage 10.
Yes.
Tell us how that stage went, the course of fire.
Well, as you can see behind us, you got 7 obstacles, and you shoot 2 shots from each obstacle at 2 different targets. I kind of just rolled with it. I was like, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a couple tents out on wind, and I'm going to hold over on my far target. And I misjudged my wind a little bit, over-dialed, corrected about halfway through, and I managed to get 6 hits out of it, which is, I believe, second high score so far.
Now this stage, it's designed so that it gives you different positionals. You have different options or obstacles that you can choose from, but it also is designed to get your heart rate up going a little bit. How does your heart rate affect you with this wind and then having to get from a kneeling to a prone to, you know, these different types of positions?
I think probably my best thing that I have on this is experience. So I've shot a lot of positional, so I can look at the whole stage and know how I'm going to do it before I do it.
Right.
And I know what I need to do to make it work out right. And all my positions were pretty good. I was a little wobbly off the pallet, but I knew I was going to be wobbly off that and off the tire too, but everything else was rock solid. And it's just try and get as many hits as you can, get as many shots off.
Awesome. Well, I appreciate your time, sir. Wish you the best of luck.
Thank you. Thank you guys for coming out here.
Our pleasure. We'll look forward to seeing you shoot some more. We are here at stage 10 with Mr. Wade DeVille. Wade, how are you, sir?
Awesome. How are you doing?
Very good, thank you. So, you're running a gas gun at this match. Tell us how that's been working out for you, sir.
It's been working out great. So far, I've had a couple malfunctions with the trigger, but we switched that out and we're good to go now.
So, stage 10, you look like you're off to a pretty solid start, and then you got to the pallet, and there's some kind of malfunction, some kind of error. What happened there?
We had a double feed. It likes to run wet, so I didn't have enough lubrication in it.
Gotcha.
So.
Gotcha. And that pushed you forward a little bit. I saw you got a little bit excited.
Oh yeah.
It started hustling.
Oh yeah.
But you got 4 of your shot impacts, which is great so far.
Yeah, good for me.
No, it's definitely great. I mean, most of the guys out here are getting between that 3 and 4 mark, so you're right on par with everybody else so far on this day. What have you thought about the match so far?
I love it. It's the most challenging match I've ever been to, by far.
Terrific. And how many matches have you shot?
4.
So this is your 4th match. Awesome. Having a good time, shooting a gas gun, keep it up with your friends.
Oh yeah. This is the first match with a gas gun. I usually shoot a bolt gun, but I figured I'd try it out. So
Just for shits and giggles. So you're gonna stick with the gas gun, or you're gonna go back to a bolt?
Probably a little bit of both. I like shooting a little bit of both. So.
Awesome. Well, that's terrific. We wish you the best of luck, sir.
Thanks a lot, man.
Good luck.
Have a good one.
Cargo net. With a round count of 8 and a 2-minute time limit, shooter will use the cargo net to shoot 4 rounds at the 383-yard target. Then switch to a different opening and shoot 4 rounds at the 518-yard target. All gear in the shooter's entire body must be on the net and may not touch the ground or the steel frame.
Hey guys, we are here at the 2017 JC Steel Target Challenge brought to you by Caracal USA. I'm here with Jeff Spalding of Caracal USA. I want to say thank you very much, sir, and welcome.
It's a pleasure to be here.
Awesome. So, tell us about the match. How's it been going?
Oh man, it's been a really tough match, but it's been excellent. We've had phenomenal logistics. The flow of the match has been great. The courses of fire have been tremendous. The wind's been pretty crazy out here.
Yes, it has.
But to be expected, you know, it's a JC Steel match, so there's a lot of positional shooting, a lot of barricade shooting. It's what's to be expected of the high-level national match like this. It's been excellent.
I think everybody came into that expecting it, but it's still you expect it, but you don't really know how to plan for it.
That's right. Right.
So one of the big things that Caracal has done for this match, which I think drew so much attention to it, was you guys really stepped up, not only as a presenting sponsor, but also sponsored the helicopter stage.
Yes, yeah, the helicopter stage was something that Jake and I were talking about a few months ago, about how we can just kind of up that level, take that next step up and what we can do to do that. And it's experience that not a lot of people have ever had or may never have again, you know, so it's
very true.
To be able to bring that out here, to put people in the dirt, fly around and shoot our rifles out of it, you know, it's for us it gets exposure to the guns, and it's something that nobody's ever going to forget, and they'll know that they did it with the Caracal rifle and they did it at JC Steel, and it's just one of those things that just cements this experience for them.
Oh, absolutely. Now, we know that a lot of people came off or were getting ready to go on saying, checking this off my bucket list.
Yeah, well, yeah, absolutely.
So you guys definitely fulfilled a lot of those dreams this weekend, which is phenomenal. We're here today. Now, you just finished. Walk us through the stage.
Well, it's my first time ever shooting off a cargo net, so I really wasn't real sure what kind of position I was going to need or how supportive it was going to be. So I just kind of watched some guys shoot before me and figured it out a little bit and got up there and just tried to get as wide as I could, as low as I could, and build as much rear support as I could, and went 7 for 8 on it. And it felt really solid. Targets were nice size. You know, it's not like we're shooting tiny targets out there on this one, but I was happy with the performance for never having done it before, and it kind of made up for the last stage I didn't do so well on. So, you know, it's all just the ebb and flow of the match, man. That's how it works.
There you go. There you go. Well, I know your squad's getting ready to move on. We really appreciate it. We look forward to seeing you shoot some more and then at the award ceremony tonight.
Yep.
We wish you the best of luck in the match. Truly appreciate your support from the match side, the NRL side, and just everybody out here in general.
Thank you, Travis.
Thank you.
Appreciate you, buddy.
Absolutely.
Have a good one.
Rooftop tire. With a round count of 12 and a 2-minute time limit, shooter will start on top of the platform and engage the 470-yard target with 1 round, then the 760-yard target for 1 round, then back to the 470-yard target. Shooter will then transition to the stairs and repeat the same steps from on top of the tire, then fire from inside of the tire, then transition to any position of their choosing.
Hey guys, we are here with Dan. Dan, how are you, sir?
Good. It's a good match.
Terrific. Having fun?
Yeah, it's a good time.
We just watched you complete stage 3. Very, very tough course to fire.
Yeah.
Can you run it through for me?
Yeah, so you start off on top of the platform and send 3 rounds, near, far, near, to 2 different targets. Transition to a separate position on top of the tire, near, far, near, inside the tire, and then if you have time, onto the top. So a lot of movement.
A lot of movement, short amount of time.
Yeah.
I'm hearing average scores are between 3 and 4, 3 and 5.
Yeah.
Somewhere right around there.
Yeah.
So it's a very, very tough course to fire for some very experienced shooters.
Yeah. The wind is at our backs right now, blowing with the round, and so it's from anywhere from 0 to half mil, either direction, left or right. So it's definitely tough.
It's playing with you.
Yeah, and we're only able to send 1 round at a target. So, and you can barely, the grass is pretty tall out here, so you can barely see your misses.
So then judging going to the second, you don't know if you should be holding left or right or how much.
No, because most of the time you don't see your miss.
Right.
And then if you do, the next target is, 200 yards further or different direction. So the wind is different at that point.
So we saw it at the end of your run. You said, damn, I wish I could do that again.
Yeah.
What would you do different?
I would run it the same exact way. I did holdovers because there's not enough time to finish, and I just would concentrate on holding over more, and I didn't prep myself enough for that stage.
Gotcha.
I came straight over. They had started the stage 3 or 4 shooters in by the time I got there because I'm running a little bit backed up right now. Just didn't have enough time to mentally prepare.
A lot of this game is mental. A lot of people don't realize that. They think, oh, something's wrong with my rifle, something's wrong with this. Yeah. But it's possibly not. A lot of it's most of the time mental.
It's almost always mental. It's almost never the rifle. I mean, every once in a while you'll something break, but man, it's almost always mental. And that stage should have been probably 7 or 8 for me.
Right.
And that was a mental lapse on my part, so I walked away with 3.
Well, yeah. it happens. You have a lot of shooting today.
Yep.
So time to make up those points. I don't want to keep you from your next stage so you can get your mental game going.
Awesome.
I really appreciate it.
Thank you, buddy.
Sir. Thank you.
Appreciate it, man. Good match.
Thank you.
Thanks, sir. Thanks, guys.
Hey guys, we are here at the 2017 JC Steel Target Challenge brought to you by Caracal. I'm here with Paul Allen. Paul, how are you, sir?
Good.
Terrific. So how's the match been going for you?
Tricky. Long targets and a lot of wind.
You're shooting a desert tech, so bullpup rifle. How is that helping you with stages like this? So it's a very tight quarters.
I wouldn't say that it's helping me on that one.
Okay.
But there's a couple that it has helped me on. I've got used to the rifle, so I can run it fairly efficiently.
You decided to burn a round. What was your thought or your strategy doing that?
They said that you could burn a round if you, but you had to load it and burn it. Nobody's hitting the 700-yard target. Very few impacts on it. And I was just running out of time. I had a good thought plan, but then it went south.
As it seems to do every once in a while.
It does.
Every once in a while.
Yeah.
Well, I know that you're shooting strong. You're having a great time out here, I'm assuming.
Oh, it's awesome. Great course of fire. I like a little bit challenging. This might be a little more on the challenging side than the forgiving side, but it's been great. Really enjoyed it.
Terrific.
Good course of fire.
Well, we wish you the best of luck.
Thank you.
Look forward to seeing you shoot some more, and we'll talk to you soon.
All right, appreciate it. Thank you.
Hey guys, we are here at the 2017 JC Steel Target Challenge brought to you by Caracal USA. I'm here with match director Jake Vibert. Jake, how are you, sir?
Wonderful, thanks. Appreciate it.
Explain to us when you decided to throw a match, what was going through your mind, how you're going to make this challenging, what you're going to do to make this very unique from other matches across the country.
You know, we're really fortunate out here in Washington to have just an epic ranch, about 6,500 acres. We got some wheat fields and some alfalfa fields. We got some rolling hills and canyons. We're really lucky to be able to have an awesome facility to do this. You know, I wanted to create a shoot that was just straight epic. I wanted to have lots of different stages. I wanted to make everything different, you know, than just the standard. I do the same thing over and over and over again.
Right. Not only have you designed a very unique course of fire, but you added some elements that only Jake would do.
Yep, that's
you
right.
Far, small targets, and you added a helicopter.
Yeah, so yesterday on Saturday, our first day of the match, we were on a different range, which is about 2 miles away. And the cool thing about that is no one's ever shot there before. No one's seen it before. It was something that I completely designed. And we had a helicopter out there. We were shooting at the helicopter at Hog Steel Targets. Man, it was epic. Today we're driving on the back of trucks, and you know, we're shooting some good popper targets, some good prairie dog targets, and a little bit of wind makes it challenging. It's a blast.
The fact that we're going long with small targets is definitely humbling for a lot of experienced shooters out here.
It is, and you know, the targets seem to get smaller when the wind picks up, and that's just part of the game. You know, I think the smallest target we have out here is something like 2 or 2.5 MOA, and that's the smallest. So they're not really that small, but when the wind gets going, they sure feel small.
Not only are you the head match director, but you also had your good friend and partner in the match, Nick Darcy, helping you out.
Yeah.
You guys have been busting your butts.
Yep.
You guys have a phenomenal RO staff. Your family's out here. You can prep meals and get things running. So this is truly a family event for you guys.
It really is. You know, I brought my wife and kids and mom out. Just wanted to have a good experience with everyone. There's a lot of campers out here. We got like 60 some odd people camping. And that's just, you know, we have a nice grass field, so they can do that. It's very inviting. And so we wanted to create that nice, safe environment for everyone to come out and do that, have a good time.
Yes.
You know, just a great atmosphere, and go from there.
Yeah, no, you have to get going, so we appreciate your time.
Appreciate
Look forward
guys.
to talking to you at the award ceremony.
Thanks.
Thank you. Hey guys, we are here with third place winner, Paul Dowling. Paul, congratulations, sir.
Thank you.
Great shooting, sir.
Thank you.
So, how does it feel? How was the match? Just spill your guts.
It was rough. It was a tough course of fire. Yesterday I felt like went a lot better than today, but I managed to stay in there and hold on to a third.
What was your favorite stage this weekend?
Anything that kicks your butt, you remember, and I felt like they all punished. Very challenging.
Do you have anything that you would say to any new shooters?
You know, come out. That's the biggest thing. Is just come out to the matches. You won't ever get better unless you just come and experience it.
We're not going to keep you here any longer than you have to be. We wanted to say congratulations. We really appreciate it. Look forward to seeing you at some more NRL matches, hopefully, and wish you the best of luck, sir.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
All right, guys, if you're not familiar with Brian Pence and long-range shooting already, you guys need to do your homework. Mr. Brian Pence, congratulations on your second place finish here today.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Our Great shooting, Brian. What was your favorite stage?
It would be the junkyard.
The junkyard?
Yeah. That was a 14-round stage.
Yes.
Probably one of the better ones I did. I got 9. So it was a lot of fun. It was like fast, high speed, positional, different, training, shooting off barricades. I really like that kind of stuff. So.
How was the match for you overall?
It was a pretty tough match. I mean, it wasn't a cakewalk, that's for sure. It was really tough stages, and the wind was howling.
It was.
It was pretty tricky, so it was probably one of the more difficult matches I've ever shot.
It seemed like every time I came by your squad, you guys had a phenomenal time. You guys were all friends.
Oh, yeah.
Always smiles, and always a little bit of heckling.
Oh, yeah, there's a lot of that. Yeah, a lot of us, I'd say half our squad's from Oregon, and we just, we like going to matches together. It's a good time.
What would you say to anybody who's watching that is thinking about getting into any kind of long-range precision sport?
I'd get out and try to find some local shoots. Just like one-day club matches if you can. Like just get familiar, find somebody local to you that shoots the sport, and just learn as much as you can. Don't get frustrated because there's so much. I mean, you go out to one match one time, you're going to learn more than you can probably retain.
Right.
And don't get frustrated first match.
Easier said than done.
Easier said than done.
I wanted to say thank you, congratulations, and we look forward to hopefully seeing you at more NRL matches. Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hey guys, we are here at the wrap of the 2017 JC Steel Target Challenge, and we are here with first place winner, Austin. Austin, congratulations, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
And Mr. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So, we had an opportunity to speak to you a little bit earlier in the match.
Yep.
You said you were doing okay.
Yeah.
Today you said you were doing okay.
Yeah.
I would say you did a hell of a lot better than okay.
Yeah, it turned out pretty good. Very tough match, very challenging.
What was going through your mind throughout this match the entire past 2 days?
Hit targets. That's all it is, man. You just, if you have a bad stage, you gotta let it go and go to the next stage. You gotta be better.
Very good.
You gotta try to stay consistent the whole time.
How often do you get to shoot out of a helicopter with somebody else providing the ammo and the firearm and just go have fun?
Never.
Exactly. Well, Austin, I know you can catch the flight, so I don't want to hold you up. We really appreciate your time.
Yep.
Congratulations,
Thanks for
sir.
putting this on.
Thank you. Thank you, Austin. Great shoot.
Appreciate it, guys. Thank you.
This concludes the 2017 JC Steel Target Challenge. Match directors Jake Vibber and Nick Godarzi put on an outstanding match from beginning to end, which included 22 unique courses of fire and 0 target failures. Many competitors got to experience the once-in-a-lifetime opportunity of firing from a moving helicopter at a precision rifle match. The National Rifle League would like to congratulate Austin Orgain, Brian Pence, and Paul Dowland for finishing top 3 in the match. The National Rifle League would also like to thank the match directors, all the ROs, sponsors, competitors, and everyone else who helped make this match possible.